Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add story on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see pictures icon, click on it and then select on camera roll. And here select the pictures or videos on which you want to add on the story. After click on, you will see story options, click on it. So you can see added to a story. So where you can see your stories, so you can see your story from here. So when you will click on it and you will see your all stories are here. So in this way you can add a story on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank